In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an Airbnb listing 2026, step by step. Start by heading to Airbnb.com or opening the Airbnb app. If you're new, sign up with your email or a supported login. If you already have an account, just log in. There isn't a separate host profile to create. Your guest profile becomes your hosting profile when you start a listing, so you're already set. Next, switch into hosting. On desktop, click your profile photo in the top right and choose Become a Host. On mobile, tap Profile, then tap Switch to Hosting or Become a Host. This takes you into Airbnb's guided setup. Airbnb will walk you through the property details, choose the property type, note whether it's an entire place or a shared space, set the guest capacity, and add the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Enter the location carefully. Guests only see a general area until they book, but accuracy here matters because it affects search results and helps set the right expectations. From there, select your amenities. Check only what you truly offer: Wi-Fi, a kitchen, air conditioning, parking, washer and dryer, or a dedicated workspace. Accurate amenities improve your visibility in guest filters and help you show up for the right travelers. Now upload high-quality photos. Use bright natural light, tidy and stage each space, and aim for clean, wide shots that show context. Make the living room your cover image since it sets the vibe at a glance. Photograph each room from a corner at eye level, include a few detail shots, and avoid heavy filters. Great photos dramatically influence clicks and bookings. Write a clear, benefit-focused title, something like a modern two-bedroom with fast Wi-Fi and pool access. In your description, highlight what makes the place unique, nearby attractions and transit, who the space is ideal for, and any important rules guests should know upfront. Keep paragraphs short, so it's easy to scan on mobile. Set your pricing next. Choose your nightly rate, add a cleaning fee if needed, and consider weekly or monthly discounts for longer stays. You can optionally turn on smart pricing, but even if you don't, research comparable listings in your area to stay competitive. Add your house rules and policies. Spell out check-in and check-out times, your pet and smoking policies, whether parties are allowed, and any quiet hours. Clear rules prevent misunderstandings and make hosting smoother. Before going live, add your payout method. Go to Payments and Payouts, add your bank account, and complete any tax information that's required for your country. Finally, review everything and click Publish. Your listing is live, and you can update details anytime as you refine your photos, copy, and rates. Happy hosting!